honk. Oh man, that got hot. I have waited for months and months and months. It's new exhausting on the Aventador. Velocity AP race exhaust on the Aventador. I couldn't be more excited. Let's go get it. Hey, remember my Christmas tree from a couple videos ago? Let's check that out before we go. It looks really good. That's a swimming pool. You wouldn't know it, but that is a swimming pool. And a chainsaw or something running in the background. I don't know. Let's check this out. As always, not with just a supercar, but any car, you always make sure you have a little heat in the engine before you drive it. So let's do that first. It's exhaust day today. Derek, is that my exhaust? No. What do you mean no? We're doing exhaust today. We got the car here for the exhaust.
It's tires. I'm sorry, Steve.
Very exciting. Derek, why are you doing real work, man? Graham, tell Derek to stop doing work. Sorry. We have Lamborghini things to do here. This is no, stop.
Stop paying the bills.
Yeah, stop paying the bills.
All right, let's go.
It's Steve's car time. No, go back to what you're doing. Go back to what you're doing. It's gonna be fine.
Do I kick the snow off your bumper?
Kick the snow off your bumper.
Yeah, you should.
Hey, look, you're gonna mount these for me later.
Oh, no.
Yeah, what do you think?
No.
Are they gonna have better traction?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
355 winter tires.
355 winter tires.
Widest winter tire I've ever installed.
355, 25, 21. It wasn't an easy tire to find.
I bet.
Like, I'm surprised they don't make a bunch of these, like a 225, 60, 15.
How small is this one?
This?
30? 255, yeah. 30?
Yeah, that's no problem. And it's a 20, so it's gonna be easy. Right? No?
Yeah.
You're feeling confident. You're feeling confident. Graham, I want you to give a shout out to Phil at SR Motor Group for finding these for me. You're on.
Good job, Phil. These are a weird tire.
Yeah. This is a standard Lamborghini things, right? We're dripping snow all over the place. We got pine needles all over the place.
I like the dirt in the wheels, too.
I think it looks good.
The dirt against the carbon ceramic brakes is mint.
It's supposed to be like that. That's normal. These are only $60,000 brakes.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's gonna be fine. Can you not let all the warm air to my car? There, thank you. Graham, are you paying bills over here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hey, listen, I got a really important job for you. I need you to run this for me.
The meter?
Yeah, we're gonna go see if my Lambo's over the legal limit stock.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
For sure it is. Are you ready there, bud?
That's about 20 inches.
What's your prediction there, Graham? So we'll do idle first?
The door comes very close to the...
All right.
96 at idle.
We're legal at idle, so I gotta go up to 4. So hard to hold there. I can't hold it there.
Okay.
What'd you hit?
The loudest was 121.
Okay.
And at half-ish, it is 115.
Okay.
Or no, yeah, right around 150.
Okay, let's see if we can actually get it up. Just don't put your face there.
It's scary.
Yeah, just hold your arm. Ready? Yeah.
Yeah. Shut the meter off.
You got your PPA on there? All right, let's give it a go. Ready?
Yeah. It set off the high alarm and stopped recording at 122 dB. It's very hot.
It's very hot. Good.
Let's try it again.
Okay.
I had to move away. It's 120.
Okay, we can beat that. Let's get the new exhaust on. Do you know the first step in exhaust removal on a Lamborghini Aventador?
What's that?
We have to take the ski box off.
That's true.
And then we have to get the spoiler up.
That's true.
How do you get the spoiler up?
You gotta lift the spoiler up.
Oh, you wait and see. And then the bumper has to come off.
That's right.
And then the other shit back there.
Lots of fun.
Get your game face on.
Oh yes.
Do you know the second step?
What's the second step, Steve?
You gotta get rid of all the pine needles from the Christmas tree.
Are you sure you need to get rid of those?
Yeah, those gotta come off.
A couple of them look a little bit burnt.
Yeah, oh, they actually do, eh?
They do.
Yeah. Oh,
They smell good.
A little warm, yeah, a little warm. Boys, what's happening? Do I hear a Lambo running over here?
Yeah.
What's going on? How'd you do that?
We got it up to speed, unplugged it, shut it off.
So we don't have to go to Lamborghini to put it in service mode to get the spoiler up? Is
No.
that what you're telling me?
No, we're good.
So you're telling me all summer when I wanted my spoiler up, all I had to do was
Unplug
do that?
it. Yep.
Nice. You're a really smart person, Derek.
I try.
Yeah. Or was this Jared? Was this you?
It was a combination.
It was a combination?
Yep.
I had nothing to do with this?
No.
No, okay. Let's get a bumper off. As a master Lamborghini technician, what is the first steps to getting this bumper cover off?
Removing all the bolts.
All the bolts. So we're gonna start up here?
Yep.
And then down there?
Seeing what we remove what we can see first.
Yeah.
And then we work to what we can't see.
I like that. It's a good
I like that
philosophy. I
too.
like that. It's good. You're just living the tire dream over here, buddy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Always wanted to work on a Lambo.
Yeah. Oh, now you get to work on a Lambo.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Hey, Bonk.
Yo.
Tell me a story.
It's coming along.
It's coming along?
It's coming along.
So what do we think right now? So for people watching this who've never taken one apart, where are we at?
To the point where we're looking for the hidden bolts now.
The hidden bolts. Okay, so we've taken off the shield under there, right? The plate
Yep.
and the debris plate, I guess.
Yep.
And we've taken out the bolts across here, other than those two.
Inner fenders are out.
Inner fenders are out, which is actually convenient of Lamborghini to make it so it splits, right?
Yeah. Very convenient.
And now there's a few bolts in here we gotta get out.
Yep.
Right?
And then there's a few bolts in here.
And here you took out these bolts, right?
I haven't taken it out yet.
How did you take these vents out?
Very carefully with a screwdriver and a pick to pull. There's clips in each corner here.
Okay.
And they don't like to come out, but they come out.
Okay. Nice. You think Graham could make some more noise over there? And you did the same over here?
Yep.
Yeah, nice. That's it, Bonk?
That is it.
That's it.
She's off. She's off.
Is this the muffler?
That is the muffler.
As the Lamborghini master technician you are?
Looks like a barbecue.
Yeah, it looks like a barbecue.
Yeah.
It definitely generates some serious heat.
Yeah, we should totally make it into a barbecue, and this will be the exhaust.
Do you know these on Amazon sell for like $6,000?
Well, we won't make it
On
into
eBay.
a barbecue then.
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
we'll sell it.
Yeah. No, we're gonna keep it so when SPS give me a ticket, I can put it back on.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
Cool, so what's next? So what did you do to get the bumper off? Tell me.
So yeah, there was some bolts down here. There was some bolts way up in here. And then basically just lifting up, and then everything just slid back. All the harness and everything stayed with the bumper. There's just this wire is right here.
Right.
So taillights and everything stayed connected.
To the bumper?
Yeah, to the
Okay.
bumper. Parking sensors, everything stayed connected to the bumper. So
Cool.
Yeah.
So just, you know, what are we, probably 2 hours into it? Something like
yeah,
that?
about that.
About 2 hours?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Next up, we have to get the spoiler off because you're not gonna get that out without getting the spoiler off. So you gotta take the spoiler bolts out on each side, right? You can't dip it below, for those wondering, because this is welded right to the frame. So next to come off is the wing. There we go, boys. How heavy is that?
Quite heavy.
Quite heavy? Yeah.
Heavier than a barbecue.
Heavier than a barbecue.
I think so.
I like it. There it is, Bonk. That wasn't so bad.
Wasn't too bad at all.
That's easy. Hey, was there any sensors plugged into that thing?
Into the exhaust?
Yeah. No?
Nope.
Let's start the car.
Holy shit! I think I did.
Wow.
I think it shut my recording off or something.
My ear, I got closer to it and I had to back up. My ears were just.
That's why that Barney car I was by when it was popped.
Your cats are just blowing.
That's awesome.
It was definitely going to fire.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh man, that got hot. Awesome.
Oh, it's
Is it
only-
awesome?
Yeah.
Why are you wearing hearing protection?
No
You're
reason.
the only one here wearing hearing protection.
What?
Does your wife yell at you that much you need hearing protection?
Well, yeah.
bonk.
So nice.
Oh man. How much did the other exhaust weigh? You got that?
Oh yeah, I got that. One-handed.
Oh man.
Triple what this one weighs.
Nice.
Yeah.
I like it. We broke it in, it changed its color, look.
Exactly.
Oh, it's warm.
Very. Can you hear
Sure,
it?
go get some hot dogs.
Hot dogs. Where's the marshmallows?
Can you just jump in there and put it back together now that it's
no
hot?
problem.
Yeah, no problem. Hey, don't lick the frost. Bonk!
Yeah.
What happened over here? What?
It's going back together.
I know, but it doesn't look cool.
Wow.
It looks stock.
Do you like your rear bumper? Because that gets a little hot.
Like, so the radiant heat shield has to be on there?
I would recommend it.
You'd recommend it? Okay, well, I guess we'll just ruin the car. Good job.
Yeah, no problem. Just doing my job here.
Thanks. Just like that. She's back together. Let's get it out on the road and see what it sounds like.